Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikendri Wahyuni and my number is 20.03.52.0018. Today I would like to present about my thesis with the title The Specific Liberal Feminist of Rachel Chu Character on Crazy Rich Asia Novel by Kevin Kwan. The first one is Introduction. Literature is any collection of written work that is conveyed communicatively about the author's intent for aesthetic purpose. Literature is referred to as the entirety of written expression, with the restriction that not every written document can be categorized as a literature in the more exact sense of the word. Sibbald, 2020. And then, a novel is a type of a narrative literary work in which there are particular problems in the life of the character, according to Aliyev 2021. Next is about objective of the study. The first is to find out the characterization of Rachel Chu as the main female character on Crazy Rich Asian novel. The second is to find out the cause of Nick's mother's rejection to Rachel Chu. And the last is about to find out the feminism perspective in Rachel Chu character. Next is about the methodology. This study used qualitative methodologies and the liberal feminists as the theoretical framework. The focuses of this study is using Crazy Rich Asian novel by Kevin Kwan. This study follows the processes of the reading, identifying, and analyzing. Next, about the feminism. According to Simone de Beauvoir, she said that the gender is not an innate quality, but rather a social contract. Simone de Beauvoir is one of the most important works in feminist literature. In her book, The Second Sex, that was published in the 1949, that reflects the Beauvoir views on women and feminism. The book was influencing the second wave feminism movement in the 1960s and the 1970s. Next, about the liberal feminism. According to Rosemary Tong, in a qualified defense of liberal feminism, the main goal of the liberal feminism is to build an egalitarian society that values the freedom for personal growth. An egalitarianism may concentrate on issues of the distribution and income inequality. Egalitarianism have equality that included in laws, politics, and economics. Next is about the finding and discussion. The first finding is about the Rachel Chu as a clever person. The first citation is from the page 55. She is very smart and accomplished auntie. Oh, so she is a friendly type like Nikki. And then the second citation is from page 56. Come on, Auntie Ellie. Stanford is a great university from anywhere. I believe she is also went to the Northwestern for her master. Rachel is very intelligent and capable. According the two citation, Tong and Butch characterized liberal feminism as non-materialistic, highlighting their emphasis on the personal empowerment, individual rights, and equitable change as opposite to the change of financial gain. The next finding is confronting social class and culture. The first citation is from page 89. I'll tell you how she is being deceitful. At first, the private investigator told me she was ABC, but after the more digging, he found out that she is not even truly ABC. She was born in mainland China and went to America when she was 6 months. And then the second citation is from page 33. I am the only Chinese mother with an married daughter who is almost 30. According to citation above, Tong and Butts describe that liberal feminism support the elimination of challenges fueled by cultural pressures, such as restriction on a woman's reproductive, the discrimination in workplace, and also gender stereotypes. So that women are free to follow their own aspiration without being unduly influenced by the society. The next finding is Rachel Chu as an independent woman. The first citation is from page 262. I'm in the Department of Economics. And how much do you get paid a year? Would you even consider working in Asia? Of course, if the right opportunity came along. Then the second citation is from page 386. So, you will never understand that. As much as I love you, Nick, I don't want to be your wife. I never want to be part of family like yours. I cannot marry into clan that thinks it's too good to have me, and I don't want my children to ever be connected to such a people. If I marry you, there will be no escaping it, even if we live on the other side of the world. From the two citations above, Tong described that a liberal feminist would be rational and not dependent on her feelings. An independent woman denies and opposes the gender norms that dictate what constitutes appropriate behavior for a woman. The last is challenging on gender stereotype. The first citation is from page 352. You have no idea. If you marry Rachel, you will be running all our life. The second citation is from page 422. By law, I couldn't have another, but my in-law was desperate for a boy, a male heir who could carry on the family name. From the two citations above, Rosemary Tong's contribution to the concept of an egalitarian society are deeply rooted in the feminist ethic and the critique of traditional moral theories. Liberal feminism is centered on changing current political and social structure. The last slide is about the conclusion and education. The conclusion: in a Crazy Rich Asian novel, Rachel Chu was described as a clever, not materialistic, and humility. Even though Rachel Chu came from a modest background, but she was a talented student that became a successful economic professor in New York. She embodies the spirit of a self-reliant woman. She can working, she can earning her own money, and can be anything that she wants. And the education, it is important of prioritizing strong and independent female character in media and in literature. The researcher hopes that the next researcher can provide more new things about the liberal feminism or more object. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.